Okay, so I've sanded it a little bit just for television, but not much because, like I said, it's got a crack there. As you can see, this is actually not going to last long, so no use getting the rust off. It's going to be thrown out. But for the video now, I'm going to show you how to sharpen it. So once this is all sanded, like I show you, you sand it, put some dry cloth over it, get the rust off. You don't do that and sand over it, you're just sanding over the rust that you've already got off. Okay, so you wipe it, then you put some water with some tissue or rag or something, and clean that out, then dry it so it doesn't rust again. And then once you get down to the middle, okay, you then sharpen it here. And the way we sharpen it is first we play around between the stone and the sandpaper is the best way that I know how to do it. Okay, come in here. Remember to keep flat on here. Hang on a minute, get rid of the excess water here. Come in here. It's not how hard you scrub, it's not how long you do it for. It is to do it directly on, and as much as needed. Sometimes if you do it, scrub a lot and you do it at the wrong angle, you're going to do more damage to the tool, any tool, that is not just the axe, than sharpening it. Even with less strikes, if you go on it and go directly on it and just gentle like this, without going shh, just gentle like this, will do the job. Okay, sometimes you may need more sanding or stone, sometimes less, depending upon if it's got dents here or not. If it hasn't got any dents, you just need a few shots at it to get it sharp, that's all. Okay, come here. We want to do a little bit on the other side now. You need a place to steady it so it doesn't move. A vice would be good to use, but we're not going to use that right now. We're going to do it by hand. Just keeping it flat here on this, not tilting that way or tilting that way, flat on, and you scrub a lot less, and you will do the job a lot quicker, and it'll be like razor sharp when you finish the job. So the most important thing is all the rust has to come off at the cutting edge. Here it's not too important, but it looks better if you take the rust off and it will last longer. So you go in here, right like this. Okay. Here, this is being sharpened very wrongly by someone, I don't know who. As it might take a lot longer to sharpen it now because he most likely blunted it more than sharpening it. But anyway, I think, let me just check on that. Yeah, it's pretty blunt. Blunt as. Okay, so it's got a bit of a thing here. Camera probably can't see it, but it's got. You might be able to see. It's got a bit of a lump there. All it has to go. It's like 1 mil for sanding. It'll take a long time to do that. Okay, so then we might play around with that and put some, just for fun or for better results. Might put some more here. and come this way and come up that way. Right to the tip and right back here to the tip. So we've got to go in a circle like that because that's how the axe goes. Okay? Come here. Come up here. Keeping it flat on the edge. Come around this way. Another thing is you need to make one of these things here. Okay? Simple. You've got your stone, the package there. You can take that off if you want or keep it on. Better to keep it on because it's got a softer feel to it. Okay? Put a wood there, a wood there, a wood there to keep it from moving up and sides, and you can take it off from this side. Okay? So you just do that. Come up here. You come up here. Okay? Come here. You come here. Okay? Come here. Keeping it flat, as I repeat, flat on it. Okay? I'm gonna get some tissues and wipe that. And wipe this, got all rust on this. You've got to get it off. Otherwise you're filing the rust. Okay. Okay, it should be fine. Before we put a bit too much oil, but doesn't matter. Just put a touch. Should be enough. Okay. We come here. Come up. Okay, come up. Come up. Okay, I prefer the sandpaper with instead of this for the axe purposes, not the chisels, but the chisels I prefer the stone. It's a matter of option really. So we go back onto the sandpaper. Wipe that. We'll give this a whole wipe here. Okay. You also use a file for this. But for this particular job, as I repeat, I prefer to use sandpaper. It's just about preference for each tool. I've got a different preference of using it. You need to steady this. somehow. Okay, we got on the other side. Camera can't see that, can they? You gotta go with the camera, bloody hell. Okay, you can probably see that. No, you can't see that. Okay, come here. That's the best I can do, sorry. Come here. Bit awkward for me. But it's alright. Okay. Usually you have it here. So, but put the camera so you can see it. As you can see, the sandpaper with my thumb puts it directly onto there. It's not that way or this way. It's flat on. Flat on, not on this side, on that side, on the 45 here that goes like that. Well, I'm not sure what degrees, but it's not straight. It's straight on this, but it's on an angle there. And if you know what I'm talking about. Okay, come up here. And now we'll just come this way. Keep it up there for a camera. And that should be razor sharp soon. It's actually got a long way to go. It looks like this. Because someone did this before I did it wrong. Or did something here. He's belted something. Probably my mother might have belted something. There's all, I'm not sure the camera can see that, there's all cuts there along there and here. Okay, so that's how it's done. You can use this if you prefer, use the sandpaper if you prefer. With me makes no difference, but in this case I prefer the sandpaper a little bit more than the file. File I prefer next a little bit more than the stone for the axe. But I prefer the sandpaper above the file. What to do with the file, just the same common sense, just come this way, keeping that on the same angle as the axe. The idea is to steady it. You can put it in a G-clamp if you want. Look at the camera, I'm just showing you here. Okay. The file will be a little bit faster, so a lot of times I may, when it's very damaged like this one, I may use the file first for a number of times and then fix it up with the sandpaper. Okay, come in here. Hang on a minute. Come this way. Come up here. So you got a preference, still blunt as. It'll take a long time to sharpen that down to razor sharp, because the guy stuffed it up, whoever sharpened it before me, just stuffed this up. There's angles all over the place here. You have one that way and one that way. That's it. And it's created many angles. If you do it wrong, you're going to create other angles when you scrub hard and all that. You've got to keep the original angle that that's from the store. You come in here, okay, we go in here, let's split up, over here, okay, so you keep doing that until you get razor sharp. That's not razor sharp yet, so it's got a long way to go. That's what you do. I'm showing you what to do, and if you keep doing that over and over again, you'll eventually get a razor sharp axe. And you may have to do it more or less depending upon how damaged the axe is or how a good condition has been kept. This is damaged. It's going to take like a long time to sharpen that, to raise the blade, because it's been damaged. So that's how it's done. You just keep doing that until you get razor sharp. Okay, that's all you have to do. Okay, take care and God be with you all, and stay tuned for more videos on other tools that I will sharpen and other woodwork things that I will make. Thank you for watching, and God be with you all.